Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. I'm Dr. Yousuf. I welcome you all in my channel 5 Minutes Information. And this is episode number 135. And in this episode, I will talk about the systematic review and the steps of the systematic review. Viewer guidance, you can get the notes of this video lecture mentioned on the link of this video description. In this episode, I will discuss two main points about the systematic review. Point number one, what is systematic review? And point number two, what are the steps of the systematic review? Come to the point number one, what is systematic review? The term systematic review sometimes referred as a literature synthesis. Systematic review is a literature review performed using a rigorous and clearly documented search strategy and selection process that attempts to find synthesis all evidence that fits predetermined criteria in order to answer a specific research question. Systematic review are very popular methodology in the field of health sciences domain. Nowadays, it is equally popular in the domain of social sciences as well, in other important domain of the knowledge. Systematic review, as the name implies, typically involves details, comprehensive plan and search strategy. Priorities with the goals of reducing bias by identifying, appraising and synthesis all the relevant studies on a particular topic. Now come to the point number two. What are the steps of systematic review? There are 8 steps recommended by the researchers and experts of the systematic review. These steps are: number 1, selection of topic or research question. Number 2, create protocol or conceptualization. Number 3, specific bibliographical search. Number 4, extracting the data. Number 5 is screening the abstract and titles. Number 6, appraise the study. Number 7, analysis and synthesis. And number 8, report writing and publication. I will explain each steps here one by one. Point number 1, selection of topic or research question. Systematic review is first step, selection of topic or research question. The problems to be addressed by the review should be specific in the forms of clear, unambiguous, and structured question before the beginning of review. Step number 2, create protocol or conceptualization. It is important to plan your research in advance of the beginning of your systematic search. Pre-established protocol gives structure and direction to your project, helps reduce error and bias, allow the review to be registered and may be requirement for publication. Point number 3, specific bibliographical search. The goal of systematic review evidence is to identify all the studies that contains data pertaining to the research question. A comprehensive, transparent and reproducible search of the literature is a key validity of systematic review's conclusion. The building of search strategy with a specific database and application of Boolean operator and truncation is a part of specific bibliographical search. Point number 4, extracting the data. Once a researcher team have selected the relevant study and to be include your systematic review, a standardization extraction of data ensure researcher obtain all the information from each study, allowing researcher to examine and compare result of respective database. Step number 5, screening the abstract. After extracting the data from databases, screening of the data is very intensive task for the researcher based on the inclusion and exclusion criteria of the research question or topic. Point number 6, appraise the study. Appraise the quality of the studies include summarize the evidence and interpret the results. Step number 7, analysis and synthesis. The collection of data must be obtained into the coherent whole and accompanied by an analysis that conveys a deeper understanding of the body of evidence. All the review should be include qualitative synthesis or may not be include a quantitative synthesis, which is also known as a meta-analysis. And the step number 8, writing a clear and detailed review report and publish it in the appropriate journal or medium. Ensure that your research reach all those who can best put it to use. That's the end of the episode number 135. In this episode, I discussed the two important points. Number one, what is systematic review? And number two, what are the steps of systematic review? Thanks for watching till the end. Stay connected. I will back soon with another informative.